Hello everyone, welcome to our latest update program. Space Kids India, which is an aerospace and defense organization, is all set to launch India's first electric rocket, and that has been named Vayuputra. So Vayuputra is going to be our first electricity powered eco-friendly rocket. And this launch is being seen as a major milestone because of the several advantages that an electric rocket has over a traditional rocket. So traditionally, our rockets are very expensive to make because the cost of raw materials being used here is very high. So they're very expensive to make, and they also cause a lot of pollution because we are making use of solid fuels in the first stage for that initial thrust, initial liftoff. So they are polluting in nature. And because we're not making use of a lot of biodegradable substances in their manufacturing, this creates waste. And they also require complex launch pads. Our traditional rockets require complex launch pads because heavy combustion of fuel needs to happen here for that liftoff, for that thrust, because they have to escape Earth's gravity. Heavy combustion happens, and that is why a complex launch pad is required. And this is not easy to create. A lot of safety procedures have to be followed here. That is why the entire cost of the complete setup also goes up. So these traditional rockets, they are very expensive, they are not affordable, and they are not accessible to everybody. Versus all these problems are solved when we are dealing with an electric rocket. Because electric rockets are not at all expensive. They are very cheap because we are making use of batteries. And that too, lithium polymer batteries. So instead of the traditional solid fuel and liquid fuel, we're making use of lithium polymer batteries, which are durable, which are lightweight, they have a longer shelf life, and this reduces the cost of production. So we're making use of batteries. In fact, the cost, like the battery cost per launch was only rupees 25. Now compare this with crores of rupees. It is nothing, right? So the battery cost is very low here. It is promoting green space technology. And we're also making use of brushless DC motors. So unlike the traditional DC motors which have brushes which cause friction and wear and tear of the product, these brushless DC motors, they do not have brushes. So there is no friction with the rotor, there is no wear and tear, and ultimately low maintenance is required. So again, cost cutting is happening. Then we are making use of 3D printing as well. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing because we are adding on thin layers one over the other. So this additive manufacturing is known for its precision, it's known for production. So again, we are reducing the cost because we are using 3D printing for building some carbon fibers. And finally, we are also making use of some biodegradable plastic components. So these biodegradable plastic components will also help us in bringing down the pollution. We have taken care of the expense part, we have taken care of the pollution part, and because they are battery driven, we do not require these launch pads. So the launch pad problem is also solved. So this all in all is a completely affordable, accessible, and eco-friendly technology. It is green space technology. This is the future of space technology. Now, if we talk about the working of both these types of rockets, there is a difference. The difference is that these traditional rockets, because they carry heavy payloads, because they carry satellites to the orbit, they require a heavy liftoff, a heavy thrust, and that is provided by a combustion of fuel. Versus in the case of electric rockets, because we do not have fuel combustion happening over here, we are making use of batteries, we do not have a heavy liftoff or a heavy thrust. The thrust here is slow but continuous. This is slow, there is no heavy liftoff, which means that our rocket will not be able to carry satellites to the orbit yet because it can travel only up to 6 kilometers. in altitude at the moment, because there is no heavy thrust or heavy lift off here. We're making use of batteries. We're not making use of traditional fuels. This is the situation at the moment, but this is the future of space technology. We can build on this thing. We can leverage this, and finally, we can also be able to use this to make something bigger, make something greater. So this is what's happening at the moment, that we are launching our first electric rocket. This is a major milestone because it is not going to be polluting in nature. There will be zero emissions. It is green space technology, and this is the future of space technology. So that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the discussion. Now, as always, let us look at a practice question for prelims. In the context of modern drone manufacturing, consider the following statements. 1. Additive manufacturing or 3D printing allows components to be made layer by layer using digital design models, reducing material wastage. 2. Vayuputra uses brushless DC motors which generate rotational motion that is converted into thrust through propellers. 3. Lithium polymer batteries are preferred in drones because they are heavier and discharge power slowly, ensuring gradual thrust control. Which of the above statements is or are correct? 2 only, 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Please provide your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.